This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to share a Looker Studio report. So I'm right here in the back end of my Looker Studio. I'm inside a project right here. This is some Google Analytics data of some of my websites. Now, if you actually want to share this project as a report, what you can do is you can come up to share at the very top, and we can click this drop down. So in general, I should point out that if you click view here, this will actually give you the live page on the internet where this project resides. So as long as you're logged into your Looker Studio, you can check that out as long as you're logged in. So on any device, as long as you're logged into your Google account, to your Looker account, you'll be able to access that. So I just thought I'd mention that. You can bookmark that and kind of go to that page anytime. So if that's what you're looking to do, you just need view. So I'll show you that. You click view, and then the address will be up here, so you can bookmark that or whatever you want to do with it. So if we go back to edit, now if you're looking to actually share this with someone else, which you might be watching this video, in order to achieve that, you need to click this arrow here on share. So we can invite people directly with an email, we can schedule delivery, we can just get the report link. So that will make the report link public, and we can share that with other people. We can actually download the report, and we can embed the report. So that will just give us some code in order to do that. So there's a few options for share, depending on what you're looking to do. If I click share here, we've got some options here. So this is my name. I'm sharing it as myself currently. Obviously this is owner status right here, and we see that the link itself is restricted, so only people added can open this link. So there's a few different options here. So I can copy the link, and anyone who's added. So if I was to actually share this with someone's email, I can just start typing an email address here. I can select viewer or editor. So obviously an editor can actually make changes. On this, as it sounds, a viewer cannot make changes and can only view it. So if you're maybe an SEO agency and you're, for instance, you're sharing some website data or something of the sort, you can just make them a viewer and they can't mess up anything and do any crazy stuff as an editor. So if I click back out of there, we've got restricted as standard. I can have this unlisted, which if I click there, anyone in the internet can view the link, as long as they obviously find a link. So it's not going to be sort of found in Google search or anything crazy like that. So that is unlisted but available essentially. Public is anyone on the internet with the link can find and view the link. So there's a slight difference between those. So unlisted, anyone on the internet with the link can view. The public one, it's just more findable, I guess. I mean, you could look into the ins and outs of that, but essentially, if you want to share it with someone, just keep it restricted. If you're not too fussed with the project being public, you can obviously make it public. If this is just someone on your website, you want to embed it somewhere, maybe you need to have this selected as public. And if it's public, you're probably not going to want to have anyone as an editor, otherwise it'll end up like Wikipedia and things get a little crazy. So restricted in general, you can add people's emails here. You'll just go through the process with that, and now they'll receive an email, they'll click the link and go straight to the project. So you could share the link. Maybe you have a group or something, you can click copy right here. That will copy to the clipboard, and I'll just paste it into here so you can see what the link will look like. Okay, it's not letting me do that. But once you've copied that link, that is copied to your clipboard. You can copy, once you've copied that, you can just paste it into anywhere. So maybe you want to share it in an email, on a message board forum or something, to share with multiple people, whatever you want to do, you have the link right there. And just remember your privacy settings right here: restricted, unlisted, and public, which we just went through. So hopefully you found this video on how to share a Looker Studio project report useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.